Hello, I'm Johannes Krall. I'm coming from Austria. In Austria we have at 3 universities we provide psychodrama training, and we are very proud of that, and we are also very happy to see that psychodrama is recognized in Austria. And I'm also working for FEPTO. FEPTO is the Federation of European Psychodrama and Mediterranean Training Organizations, and I have the honor to be the chair of FEPTO Research. So what we are trying to do is to connect different research projects and activities over Europe, try to help each other in terms of doing research. And for that reason, I'm very happy and very excited to be invited to come to the London Center for Psychodrama, this beautiful city and this wonderful place here. I enjoy very much. You see this wonderful picture here also. And to do a seminar about how to do research in psychodrama, because psychodrama is a very specific and special method, and it requires also appropriate research for psychodrama, which takes care for the specificities of psychodrama, and which really shows how psychodrama works effectively in practice. And this is something I like very much to work on that, and I'm glad and happy and honored to be here and to work with a wonderful group of people which is highly motivated to do research and to improve not only psychodrama practice but also improve the evidence we have about research in psychodrama. So I'm very glad, and I hope you will be also joining us soon to do psychodrama